Start. Yes, so hello everyone. This is Siddesh Tavle. Under the Skill Development Club, Government College of Engineering Karad, we, the team Dhyaya Vede, are going to perform our first activity, that is the introduction. So, firstly, I am as a team leader, Siddesh, I am going to introduce myself. Yes, so hello everyone, this is Siddesh Tavle. I'm from Satara and currently pursuing my BTech in Civil Engineering from the Government College of Engineering Karad. During my BTech, I was little good in academics as well as I was active member in all the club activities as the Dias Club or the Cultural Committee. Uh, yeah, that's all. Thank you. Yes, after this, I call Mr. Mandar Pawar for his introduction. Over to you, Mandar.
Hello everyone, I am Mandar Dhanaji Pawar from Kashi, which is located in Satara district. I have completed my 12th standard study from Maharaja Sayajirao Junior College Satara. Currently now I am pursuing a third year civil engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. Recently, I have worked on mini project modular construction and completed my 9-month internship from Shanti Sagar Creation Kashi. I am self motivated and positive person. During academic year I have completed my interior design course from architecture from Satara. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, Mandar. After that, I call Miss Sushmita Giribuga for her introduction. Over to you, Sushmita.
Hello everyone, my name is Susmita Sadashiv Giribua. I am from Kolhapur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from Shivraj Vidyalaya and Junior College Murgud. Currently, I am pursuing in TY BTech Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. Recently, I have worked on a mini project Zero Energy Building. I have done 3 months internship from Parshva Consultants Kolhapur to learn the construction activities. I am a self-motivating person and I am interested in reading books, listening music and sports. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Sushmita. After that, I call Mr. Abhishek Sabre for his introduction. Over to you, Abhishek.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhishek Sabre, and I am from Kolhapur. I have done my primary and secondary education from Kolhapur. I am pursuing my BTech in civil engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my minor project in composite beam analysis and site internship in construction building. And my hobbies are to play volleyball and chess. And I have represented my school at district level in both the games. My communication skills are good and up to the mark. That's all about me. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Abhishek. After that, I call Miss Riddhi Bhosle for her introduction. Over to you, Riddhi.
Hello everyone, my name is Riddhi Bhosle. I am from Satara. I have completed my 10th from TLJVY and 12th study from Maharaja Sayajirao Junior College Satara. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. Recently, I have worked on a mini project that is modern construction technology, my one framework. Currently, I am working as a member of publicity department in Sinking GCK community. I am self-motivated person. Apart from the academics, I am interested in music, swimming, and traveling. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Riddhi. After that, I call Mr. Harish More for his introduction. Over to you, Harish.
Thank you, Siddesh. This side Hari Javan More. I am currently pursuing in Government College of Engineering Karad for a third year BTech. I have completed my primary and secondary education from Vatar, which is the village nearby Karad. And my hobbies are playing kabaddi and cricket. I have represented my school for kabaddi at a district level, and That's all about me. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Harish. After that, I call Mr. Avinash Gaikwad for his introduction. Over to you, Avinash.
Thank you, Siddesh. Hello, everyone. I am Avinash Gaikwad. I am from Pandharpur. I have completed my SSC from Yeshwant Vidyalaya Bhose and HSC from Karmveer Bhaura Patil Mahavidyalaya Pandharpur. Now I am pursuing my BTech in Civil Engineering at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my Python training for programming and I got a certificate of that. And in 5th semester of my BTech, I have done one minor project related to the My1 technology. Also, along with that, along with that, I have little bit knowledge about the programming languages like C and CPP. In my hobbies, I like to read history books and watch history movies. Also, I like to play cricket and watch cricket. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Avinash. After that, I call Mr. Vishal Adat Rao for his introduction. Over to you, Vishal.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vishal Bhagwat Rao. I have completed my 10th and 12th from Usmanabad. I am from Usmanabad, and currently I am pursuing my BTech in Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Recently, I have worked on my mini project on wastewater treatment, and I have completed my course in AutoCAD. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially football. I have yes, I belong to neutral family. I have good communication skills, and that's all about me. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Vishal. After that, I call Mr. Deep Kurtarkar for his introduction. Over to you, Deep.
Hello, I am Deep Digambar Kurtarkar. I am from Sindhudurg. I am pursuing my BTech Civil Engineering degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad, with overall CGPA 9.1%. I completed my HSC and SSC from Sindhudurg with 71 and 95%. I done my second year mini project as named modular construction. I am interested to learn precast technology. I have basic knowledge of two programming languages, C and Python. My strengths are I am hardworking, self-motivated. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Deep. After that, I call Mr. Swaraj Gungurkar for his introduction. Over to you, Swaraj. Swaraj.
My name is Swaraj Gungurkar. I am from Kolhapur. I completed my 12th standard from Sanjay Godavat University, and now I am studying from Government College of Engineering in third year BTech. I have hobbies like play cricket and reading books, and I have completed mini project for composite beam using StatPro. That's it. Okay.
Yes, thank you, Swaraj. Yes, so we, the team Dhyaya Vede, have performed the first activity under the Skill Development Club, that is the introduction. Thank you.